In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete files from Google Drive. If you've ever cleaned up your drive and noticed that files still seem to stick around, this walkthrough will clear that up. There are two parts to the process. First, removing a file from your drive, and second, permanently deleting it from the trash. Sometimes called the bin, it's important to know that removing a file only sends it to trash, where it typically stays for about 30 days. To free up space immediately or ensure something is gone for good, you'll need to permanently delete it. Also, keep in mind that you can only permanently delete files you own. If you don't own the file, you can remove it from your view, but the owner still controls whether it can be deleted forever. Start by selecting the file you no longer need. Hit click once to highlight it, or right-click to open more options. When you're sure you've got the correct file, choose Remove. You'll usually see a small confirmation that the item has been moved to trash. At this stage, the file is not gone. It's simply been relocated, which is helpful if you change your mind. Next, open the trash or bin. You'll find it along the left-hand side of Google Drive. This is the holding area for recently removed items. Opening trash lets you review what's inside before you do anything irreversible, which is a good habit to avoid accidental losses. Inside trash, select the same file again. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the right item using the name, size, or a preview to double check. Once you're confident, you're ready for the final step. Click Delete forever. Google Drive will ask you to confirm because this action can't be undone. Approve the prompt and the file will be permanently deleted. If you own the file and had shared it with others, they will lose access immediately once it's permanently deleted. If you weren't the owner, you might not see the delete forever option for that item, which simply means only the owner can permanently remove it. A couple of quick reminders as you finish up. Permanently deleting a file frees up space on your Google account right away, which is useful if you're close to your storage limit. And if you're at all unsure, take an extra second to verify the file before confirming. That's it. Select the file and remove it. Open trash, select the file again, and click Delete forever. Follow these steps and you'll keep your Google Drive tidy, intentional, and clutter-free.